skip counting. I'm going to practice. We don't need our socks right now, so you can just have your board on your lap and your marker on the floor in front of you. Your marker and your sock are both on the floor in front of you. I think for friends that are following that direction, doing a really nice job. Your eyes forward. Maybe it was just from running around recess. I'll feel better in just a moment. All right, we're going to practice skip counting by twos. Let's start at the number 4 and end at the number 32. Skip counting by twos. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Our end number was 32. Did not earn a letter. Right. We did earn a letter, so we'll get that after. I'll put a little check mark here. We earned letters. All right, we earned 1 letter downstairs. All right. Next one, we're going to practice skip counting by tens. Let's start at 26 and end at 126. Skip counting by tens. Ready? 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96, 106, 116, 126. Let's do the same thing, skip counting by tens, but this time let's start at 13 and end at 123. We're starting at 13. What's the next number going to be? Skip counting by tens, Jalissa?
23.
It will be 23. Ready? 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103, 113, 123. Miss Whitley is giving stars to friends that are being really careful with their skip counting, throwing their reins down. We're going to cover up our math ball. So we can put it down for right now, but we're going to have to put it back up when we do our number of the day. I was afraid to do that earlier. All right, let's practice skip counting by 100s, starting at 101, ending at 901. If we're at 101, we're skip counting by 100s. What number is going to come next? All right, Terry? 200. Ready? 201. Sorry. Ready? 101, 201, 301, 401, 501, 601, 701, 801, 901. What number would come next if I landed on 901? Braylon?
100.
You're on the right track. We don't say 1001. We would write it the same. But how would we read this number? Not 101.
1,000.
Isamir? 1001. All right. One more skip counting problem. Let's start at 25 and stop at 225. So we're not skip counting by quarters, so we don't need to say cents, but it's the same thing. 25, 50. Ready?
25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225.
Nice. We did a really good job of that. We earned a letter. All right. Let's put away our hundreds chart for now. What day of the week is it? Lindsay? Today is Monday. What day will it be tomorrow? Jose?
Tuesday.
Tomorrow will be Tuesday. What day was it yesterday? Isamir? Yesterday was Sunday. It was the weekend. It was so fun. What month are we in? Angelina? We are in the month of December. What month of the year is December? Randy?
December is the 12th month of the year.
Ooh, let's check. Let's sing our song and check. Ready?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
I sang the whole song. So I put up I put up 10 fingers, and then I put up 2 more. So what month of the year is it, Roger?
The 12th month?
Yeah, 10 plus 2 is?
12.
So Randy was correct. You were correct, Randy.
You are correct, Randy.
All right. Let's look at our number of the day. So if the sun is in your eyes, I apologize. You're just going to have to bear with me for a little while. You can put on your pretend sunglasses. Hopefully that'll help. We don't need to put our boards in front of our faces, though. You can just look away if it's really bothering you. Boards are still in our laps, just like Jomel, just like our Terry. All right. So on Friday, we were in school for 68 days. How many days have we been in school today? Catherine?
We're in school for
69 days. In a moment, you are going to write the number 69 in standard form. You are going to write it in written form or word form, expanded form, when you hear the signal word today. Our signal word today is determined. Collect, selfless, selfish, determined.
Sebastian got started right away. It doesn't work.
Let's see. To write the number 69 in standard form. How would I write that number? Sebastian? Say it loud and proud. Oh, I'm doing standard form first. What do I need to add? I have a 6. I just need to add a 9. 69. If I write this in word form, who can help me out? Nathan? How do I write the word fine? Can you help me out, Nathan? N? Great. What is the punctuation that we use when we write our words in word form? Jalissa?
It's called a hyphen.
It's called a hyphen. Everyone do an air hyphen with me. Hyphen. All right. Now, I want to write my number in expanded form. Who can help me out here? everybody in row 4 is super ambitious with their hands raised. Everyone in row 5 is super ambitious with their hands raised. Janelyn? When I write a number in expanded form, I do what? I
break the number apart.
Good, place value. All right. Erase your boards in 5. Go ahead and draw the number 69 in base 10 blocks and tallies. We're just going to do base 10 blocks and tallies. Save time, just like we've been doing. She has 65, and then she's just adding how many more tally marks she needs. Let's use using really nice ink handwriting. We're just doing base 10 blocks and tally marks right now. Alright, so let's start with base 10 blocks. How many base 10 blocks, or sorry, how many 10 rods do I need for the number 69? Adrian?
You need 6 tens.
Great, and how many ones?
You need to get 9 ones.
Alright, let's count and see how many ones I have so far.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But I need 9, so how many more do I need to draw? Angelina?
1 more.
1 more. Let's count up our base 10 blocks and see if we have 69. Ready? 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69.
I like the way that Sebastian had his eyes up on the board the whole time. He was counting. Alright, and for tally marks, we've been trying to save some space. We ran out of space on our tally mark chart. So I have 65 plus 3 more. How many tally marks do I have up here right now? Chanel?
68.
I have 68. 65, 66, 67, 68. I need to draw 1 more tally mark to make it 69. Is it going to go up and down, or is it going to go diagonal? Randy?
It's going to go up and down.
It's going to go up and down. How many do I have in my group now, Randy?
You have 69.
Great. But how many do I have here in this group right now?
Right now, you have 4.
I have 4 right now. So what am I going to do the next time I add a tally mark? Or Terry?
You're going to shut the door.
I'm going to shut the door. I'm going to have 5, so I need to make it a diagonal one. All right. Star check 3, 2, 1, 0. In a moment, you're going to erase your board, and you're going to do 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less. When you hear the signal word today, which is determined, embarrassed, ashamed, determined. one less? Jamel. You're a mathematician, Jamel.
You're a mathematician, Jamel.
What is one more than 69? Everybody.
70.
We got it, 2A.
We got it, 2A.
All right. Erase your boards in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. I am thinking of a mystery shape. I want you to draw the shape, and you can label it. My mystery shape has 3 sides, and it has 3 angles. It reminds me of Step Mountain. Go ahead and draw the shape and label it. We're not coloring it in, we're just drawing it quickly. We don't want to waste the ink of our markers. Sway is using the board to help him spell it correctly. Markers down in 3, markers down in 2, markers down in 1. In a moment, you're going to turn your board around, keeping it against your chest. We don't want to hit anyone in the head with our boards. And show me a shape. Oh my goodness. Every single friend did it right, Sydney? Wow. We're amazing, 2A.
We're amazing, 2A.
Who can tell me how they knew it was a triangle? How did you know what I was thinking, Angelica?
Because you said it has 3 sides.
I said that it has 3 sides, and we know that a triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has
3 sides.
up the mountain, down and back. A triangle has
3 sides.
I haven't seen that song in a while. I missed it. All right, I'm going to give you another mystery shape. Erase your boards. 3 with your sock. Erasing it with our sock. 2 and 1. The next mystery shape has 4 sides. 2 of the sides are longer than the other 2. It reminds me of a pencil box. Go ahead and draw and label your shape. It has 4 sides. 2 of the sides are longer than the other 2 sides. It reminds me of a pencil box. Okay, have you ever seen a pencil box before? Maybe you have a pencil box at home.
It's made of metal. It's a pencil.
Yeah. It is very similar to our crayon box.
It's made of metal.
I'm sure that Angelica is sitting on her bottom. Jamel is sitting in star on his bottom.
I'm going to try all the shapes of this.
Chanel is sitting so quietly and then she punched her work. So that's up here.
Markers down in 3, 2, and 1. Show me your shape. Ooh, I see multiple shapes on some of our boards. All right. Let's see, what shape did you think that it is? My mystery shape.
Rectangle.
Why do you think it's a rectangle?
Because a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
That's true. Do we remember our song? It's a rectangle has 4 sides.
A rectangle has 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short. A rectangle
erase your boards in 5, with a soft 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to do one more problem from our calendar math work or wall, and then we're going to move on to the whiteboard. So let's see, I'm going to do a money problem. Our Terry has 33 cents. What coins might he have? Go ahead and draw it. Our Terry has 33 cents. Go ahead and show me what coins he might have. You can think of more than one way and you have extra time. You can go ahead and draw that. You have one way written down, you can write down another way.